Hi everyone, we are very excited to present you our idea, which is a server application log analyzer using ELK stack. Okay. But before going to this giant term, we should know that why in the first place we need this, how can it help us to not lose our clients and our business, and how under the sun each project can use it. During SDLC, we often face issues or errors that we need to monitor, like what are frequently occurring errors in application log, errors between a particular period of time, or we want to know the performance of our application or availability of our servers. So for this, we need tools we need a tool which matches up with the pace of our development. Otherwise, how modern the tools or technologies we use, we will not be able to match up with the overall development of the project, and hence we could lag just because we took a lot of analysis time. And this is how chaotic the analysis could get. There are 4 applications which are feeding into each other. We have 4 logs of 4 different applications. Now for debugging, there's an issue because we have to log into each window, and then we will find out the errors in them, which in no way could be a practical solution in today's time and age. So here's the solution that we are presenting. We are replacing separation with centralization, and we are replacing text files with visualization.
Thank you, Varun. So here I will take you through the demo of what we made to monitor your applications, logs, and monitor the performance of the servers we have. So here I have a server called IIS Lab 317. Here I'm displaying the CPU availability and CPU utilization of the server, and memory utilization also. So clicking on the server will take you through the entire utilization of the server by CPU, the network traffic, available storage on that server, and so many other things. And so that we can analyze the performance of the server, what are the services we have utilizing the maximum resource on that server, and we can optimize the performance accordingly. Here on this dashboard, we are analyzing the Jenkins logs so that developers and the DevOps team can analyze where on which project or on which page the maximum error is occurring, so that developers can rework on the pages or on the project to reduce the number of issues. Our next dashboard is to monitor the performance of SQL Server database server, which is installed on IIS Lab 317. Here we are monitoring performance of SQL Server. So what we showed you basically prepared on ELK stack. So what is ELK stack? It is a bundle of 3 open source technologies: Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Before we go through architecture of ELK, let's understand what is beats. Beats are the small lightweight shipper which used to pick data from the source like network packets, server logs, and other modules installed on that server, and process those data through the Logstash or directly to Elasticsearch and visualize those data in the graphical form. So what are the use cases of ELK stack? Mainly use cases are we can use it through the DevOps, where we can monitor the logs of applications from development throughout the production server. Data analytics, data center server performance monitoring, where we can monitor availability of the server along with the performance of particular application. Market intelligence, fraud detection, and security analytics. So this was all about ELK. Thank you. We create wow.